Hello, my name is Matthew. I am a specialist here at MemberLeap, a product of Eve Consulting, and today I'm going to be showing you more about the invitation feature of the event registration system. To get to this, we will start off on the event registration tab of the admin menu and go into event registration. Here we have a listing of all of our events that we have in our sandbox website of Pastry Chefs of America. So if we wanted to invite someone to an event, say our 50th annual convention, all we need to do is click on the invite button, INVT, in the event functions. Here you will see it will pull up the broadcast email system. This does have a slight tweak to it where it will pull in the event description as well as links to go ahead and register, as well as add it to your calendar, whether it's Outlook, Google, or iCalendar. Same as with the broadcast email system, it will pull in the reply to name and reply to email from whoever is logged into the website currently. I'm currently logged into our test admin account. You can choose to send this at a later date if you would like to. If you do choose it as a later date, say we wanted to send this tomorrow, it would actually send out at about 9 a.m., between 9 and 10 a.m. the following day, Eastern Standard Time. So here we have the standard CK editor. If you want to edit any of this, say you want to change the description a little bit, make sure or get rid of the location, anything along those lines, this is an editable form. You can add more information here. So you can just type in, this is a what you see is what you get editor. So let's go ahead and continue on. If you'd like to save the message and work on it at a later date and not necessarily send it right now, if you do click save, it will just save in the broadcast email system. So all you'll need to do is go to communication, broadcast emails, and you will find this in the saved messages in there. So let's go ahead and continue. On this page, you can choose what files to attach to this. If we click choose file, it will bring up the documents for your web or for your computer. So if you'd like to attach a file, you can do that here. The next page, you get to choose what the recipients are going to be. So you can do it by your standard member plans. You can send it to all your members by sending it to the members ad, to your newsletter list, to your prospects, to your board members, or by specific membership plan. If you would like to just send it out to a few people at first, say I wanted to send it to myself at first, I can send it to my Gmail account listed here. And you can just click add selected members, add it to the list. You can send it by project committee, by what their join date is, their categories, their region, whether they are registered to an event. So if you click on the registered for an event, you can actually look up members who are registered for a past event and add those in here. So if I wanted to, say, add in everyone who is registered for the 47th annual event, I can just go ahead, select that, and add them in here. You can see we just have these 4 members added to this list, or 3 members. You can also choose by custom fields in the system or by email. So if you have a list of people that you want to send this out to, and it's in a CSV format or something similar, you can just simply do it by email. And with this, you can just add in, say, example@domain.com, sales@memberleap.com. You can just use a space for this one, info@memberleap.com. Or a line, Matthew@memberleap.com. And although these are all separated by something different, commas, spaces, or a line, it will actually add all 4 of these emails to the database for us to be able to use for this email recipient. So you can see it'll automatically pull them in. If someone is in the database already from that email list, it'll attach the relevant information to it. So you can see it adds myself and Jane admin in here, but info-ad and example-ad are not actual full records in the system, so it is not adding those. So let's go ahead and just remove everyone but myself here. So you can see you can individually delete members from this list. We want to go ahead and continue. You'll see that this message is now set out to be scheduled for Saturday, June 30th, 2018, between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It gives us the subject line as well as the view of what this looks like in desktop, as well as what it looks like in mobile for us to view. It shows what attachments we have, who the recipients are, and how likely this message is to be marked as spam. And if we were to go ahead and schedule the message, it will go ahead and send out and bring us into the broadcast email system where you can see we now have this message scheduled to be sent out tomorrow morning. Alright, that was the invitation system of the broadcast email. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.